everybody, this is Jim from OSR Garage. I just want to talk to you guys about the Mustang flip. It's done. It's over with. Sold it. So ended up being pretty lucrative deal. Bought it for $2,500. Had to replace 2 catalytic converters and the muffler. Those were 2 of the main problems, and then we had a coolant reservoir and a sway bar link that were broke. Replaced both of those. Ended up running into some other issues, which if you watched my other videos, you saw about that. And I ended up having to replace the front and rear brakes, the brake master cylinder, the brake booster. Also did a full tune-up with a BG engine flush and finished it off with some Valvoline Max Life synthetic blend oil change. So it all got done. Guy came out and drove it. Loved it. He had somebody, it was a friend of his as an insurance agent. He checked it out. He couldn't really find anything wrong with it. So basically, to let you know, what we did was I bought it for $2,500. Supposed to be $700 in parts. Ended up spending about $17 in parts, I think, total. Then we had tax, title, and license factored into that also, and then I also ended up having to have an alignment done because I replaced the lower control arms on the front, so I had to have a alignment done on that. And then I also had the shop do a brake flush because I was having trouble getting the air out of the brakes. So so that ended up great. I mean, the car runs great, it sounds great, drives great. Other than that, there might be a little bit of an exhaust leak. He said he could take that to a shop, probably cost about $50 to fix it. There it is. It's going to be going down the road here shortly in just a few hours, and that's going to complete that. Ended up selling it for all in. We were all in for $4,500 on it is what I spent total with all the parts and the cost of the car. And then it was just my time and labor involved in getting it all fixed, and we sold it for a profit of $1,300. So ended up working out great. There it goes, folks. On down to the road to his new owner. This guy bought it for his 16-year-old son, so I hope it works out great for him.